Hey folks, this is Video Review Chris, and today marks the 1 year anniversary of when I first uploaded the review of There Goes a Rescue Vehicle. And today I'm going to start a new series called Rear Wheel's Best Moments. Right here is a clip from There Goes a Monster Truck.
Whoa, uh-oh.
Dave and Becky, where have you guys been?
We had a little problem.
Where's the truck?
We had a big problem. Actually, we left it in the desert. It's not here.
If you don't have the truck and you want to stay at this show, you're going to work on my mud pit.
The
Mud pit.
Yuck.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry.
Get me out of here. We're gonna get fired. We shouldn't have done that.
Alright, that was There Goes a Monster Truck, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm Video Review Chris, and thanks for watching.